sing.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my best friend, Jade Marie, or as you guys know her, JADES180.
Hi guys.
Make sure to subscribe to Jade, follow her on all her social medias. I have them linked below. She is here in the video with me today, and we have some super exciting news for you guys. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. Welcome to my channel. I am a beauty creator, mom, and a Latina founder of Dominique Cosmetics. Before we get into this, because this is really exciting news, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right there and hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So we have some exciting news for you guys. Dominique Cosmetics and my bestie are collaborating on our first ever primer setting spray duo.
It is so amazing, you guys. Like, I cannot wait for you to try it. We wanted to come up with something that was really clean and fresh and just feel like a spa all in one.
So honored. I couldn't have done it with anyone else better than you.
I'm so honored to be your first collab for Dominique Cosmetics. I don't want to cry, but just it means so much to me that you chose me to do this because I just adore you. I think you are so inspirational. You're like the hardest working woman, mom, wife, friend I know, and I'm so excited and honored to be, you know, on all your products.
I love you so much. Having you a part of this journey and me being a part of your journey now, like, it's unbelievable. I'm so happy for you guys to get this in your hands, try it on your face. It's a piece of Jade, it's a piece of me.
Yes,
and
it's our heart.
It's our heart.
Put in one.
For you. We first met about 6 years ago at Generation Beauty. After that, we would see each other at events a lot, and we just gravitated towards each other.
We've been best friends ever since.
I've learned so much from Jade's videos. She was like the perfect person to collaborate on this primer setting spray. Who else? None other than the skincare queen herself.
Babe, thank you.
I actually wanted something that was ultra hydrating because I have a really dry skin.
Same.
It's so bad. I created a base formula with Saliporine 8 that really sinks into the skin. It's like 6,000 times %. I showed Jade the formula.
I instantly fell in love with it.
And we collaborated on ingredients.
I really wanted to add willow bark because it's such a rare and amazing ingredient, and it helps with brightening the skin as well as evening out the skin tone, but also calming. So it gives that really nice, relaxing spa effect that I feel like I really wanted everyone to experience.
The aroma is so relaxing.
So relaxing.
It instantly takes you to a spa.
Oh, did you see that? Spray itself, it's so
Do you even
incredible.
see it on camera? Because it's so fine.
I know, it's so fine.
And even the packaging is so like refreshing to look at. It's soft, it's light.
We wanted like
dressed like the packaging.
Oh yes, we match.
We match today.
Our favorite color, mint.
Jade actually created a bag with it. You will be getting this bag if you get the bundle. This comes for free. Like, you just get this.
We love the bag too.
So amazing. The bag lasts so long. If you want to clean it off, it just wipes right off. So before we get into all the good details, I just want to show you guys each product by itself, how much it costs, so you guys know where to get it, when it's launching, all of that. So the whole entire ultra hydrating collection is launching on DominiqueCosmetics.com. Mark your guys' calendars.
Better do it, girl.
Yes.
And boy.
And we are also going in store and online with Sephora.com shortly after. So that date is coming to you guys very soon. I'll have all the links below. And we just want to get into all of the goodness that we created for you.
Let's talk about the primer first.
So this is the Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer.
And it's such a good primer because it smooths the skin as well as brightens and hydrates at the same time. It's like that drink of water for the skin, for any skin type. Doesn't matter if you're oily, dry, acneic, it's perfect for you because it does have a hint of willow bark, which is really calming. It's gonna bring a nice spa effect to wherever you are, as well as it has hyaluronic acid, which I feel like is one of our favorite ingredients.
For sure. This formula is made up of 60% water. It's so refreshing. I don't even have to wear makeup with this.
This is gonna be a really nice barrier on your skin for anyone out there, even if you don't wanna wear makeup and you just wanna put this on, lathered on all over your face as well as your neck, and it's just gonna give you that lit from within look, but also on the outside.
It actually makes your skin look smoother, and it has like a water break technology that transforms on your face. So it goes on like a cream, and as soon as you work it into your skin,
it's just
breaks.
like it's like when you put it on, it just like instantly bursts
into like little water droplets. It's so refreshing. You guys are gonna love it.
It's such a unique formula. Like when you sent it to me, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so incredible. I feel like the skin just sucks in all the moisture, and I haven't been able to find a primer like that, so I really fell in love with it.
So the primer is $28, and we also have this baby right here.
Oh my gosh. We love this one too.
We love her.
We spray her everywhere.
Yes, all over the body, the face. Me, the body, actually. I've
Everywhere.
been through 2 of these. It's ridiculous.
I know, seriously. I'm taking this one with me.
So this is called the Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist, and this is going to be $32. And this guy is so special.
It is. We should spray it because they need to see.
Yes.
It's just so beautiful. And you guys have to see why we called it the Ultra Fine Mist is because it is so fine. Like you can barely see it.
Can you see it?
But when it's like applied, it's like
it's so beautiful. It's like a
I don't know
cloud.
why I did that noise.
So the reason why this guy is so special is because it truly has helped my skin, and it has a really unique ingredient, which is called salicylic 8, that comes from the salicornia plant, and it's known to boost moisture levels in the skin. And after 30 days of using this, you'll instantly feel and see hydrated results on your skin. It gives you 6,000 times percent. Now that sounds insane, but it's actually true, and you will see the results. So the more you use it, the better.
Yes, and you can use it even before you go to bed, even before you do your nightly routine. I would suggest using it before you put your serums on, your oils, just to refresh your skin, because it does have that really refreshing aroma to it that just instantly kind of like lifts your spirit.
It does.
But also that hydrating effect, which is so incredible. Not only does it smell really beautiful, it actually is working super well. So I really fell in love with the salicylic 8 extract. I think it's so beautiful for the skin, but I wanted to add in an ingredient that I absolutely loved, and so we added in willow bark, and it helps to calm as well as brighten the complexion, but it also restores the skin to its ideal pH, and I really love that it does that.
I do too, and you can use this spray to prep your skin for makeup after you're done with your makeup to really set it in place and kind of
in the middle of the day.
In the middle of the day to rehydrate.
Yes.
Especially it's been so hot lately. It's so refreshing.
And you can even get your beauty blender damp with it. I mean, just use it on everything that you're gonna use on your skin.
I feel like when you apply it with any type of beauty sponge, it really helps the foundation lay down so much smoother on your skin. It's better than just the water for me personally. This is like a personal thing. I always dampen my beauty sponge with this because I actually do feel the difference in the application. So it's so much better.
I feel like that's also better than water because you're gonna get the benefits of the ingredients, especially if you're using it on your skin. So any type of tool that you're gonna use on your skin that you need to get damp, I definitely would highly suggest to use the Fine Mist.
Yes. I love it. And just the aroma of the green tea cucumber, I'm obsessed with. You get the bundle, you get this bag, it already comes with it. You don't have to purchase this separately.
Yes, our little these are our skin babies.
So all together, this is $52, and it's a bag that Jade created, and I love how it's so jelly.
It's so jelly. It gives me totally 2000s vibes.
It does.
Jelly shoes.
I mean, oh my God, yes. And then I actually have been to the beach with this. I have been everywhere with this, and it just cleans off so easily. It lasts so long, and it's so pretty.
And it's the perfect color. We love mint, clearly.
Clearly.
We love it. It's the color of the summer this year.
I love this, and I feel like it represents you so well, like the color. It's like calm, soothing.
It's kind of like jade color.
It is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. Make sure to go follow Jade. Her channel is addicting.
Thank you.
It is very
Go watch
addicting.
our video together.
And we have our
facial.
video. You will learn so much from her. I promise you, she will not let you down. Make sure to subscribe to Jade, follow her on all her social medias. I have them linked below. Don't forget to mark your calendars. 10 a.m. we are launching this beauty on DominiqueCosmetics.com. So
don't forget, baby.
Don't forget.
We want you guys to be glowing.
Yes. I love you guys. Thank you for coming on my channel.
Thank you for everything.
This is like the most special video I've done. I'm like so happy for this moment. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos on the side if you haven't seen them already. And that's it. Before we let you go, we just wanted to give you a positive message from
Both of us.
Both of us. And
we actually put it on the box, and it says, "You do you, babe," because we just want to remind you guys all to be authentically you. Don't be anyone else but yourself, and glow while you're doing it.
yes. We love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.